Might have 44 daily English sentences, English for all. Welcome to English for All. Today we're going to master a useful English phrase, might have. Have you ever guessed something that probably happened in the past? Then you've already thought about using might have. Let's learn the meaning of might have. Phrase, might have, meaning used when we guess about something that possibly happened in the past. It shows possibility. You are not sure, but you think it happened. Let's start with 24 useful sentences. Repeat each one after me. Pause. Practice. Speak with confidence. She might have left already, meaning maybe she has gone. I might have forgotten my keys, meaning it's possible I left them. They might have gone to the cinema, meaning I think they are at the cinema. He might have taken the wrong bus, meaning maybe he got on the wrong one. You might have missed the announcement, meaning it's possible you didn't hear it. I might have told you that before, meaning maybe I already said it. We might have misunderstood the instructions, meaning we may have understood it wrongly. He might have lost his phone, meaning it's possible he can't find it. She might have been tired, meaning maybe she felt exhausted. They might have finished the work, meaning it's possible the task is done. I might have left my wallet at home, meaning maybe I forgot it. He might have gone to sleep early, meaning possibly he's resting now. You might have dropped it somewhere, meaning maybe you lost it. She might have heard us talking, meaning maybe she overheard. The power might have gone out, meaning maybe that's why it's dark. I might have missed the train, meaning possibly I was late. He might have forgotten the time, meaning maybe he lost track. They might have canceled the event, meaning it's possible it's not happening. I might have said something wrong, meaning maybe I made a mistake. She might have taken the file, meaning it's possible she picked it up. You might have misunderstood him, meaning maybe you didn't get it right. They might have been busy, meaning it's possible they had work. He might have changed his mind, meaning maybe he decided differently. I might have seen her before, meaning possibly we met earlier. Great job. Now let's practice 20 more sentences without the meanings. Just listen and repeat. He might have left his phone at the cafe. I might have called you by mistake. She might have taken the wrong folder. They might have forgotten the appointment. We might have taken the wrong turn. You might have entered the wrong password. He might have heard the news already. I might have confused the dates. She might have gone to her friend's house. They might have seen the message. You might have left the door open. He might have taken your notebook. I might have misread the instructions. She might have cooked dinner already. They might have stayed late. You might have pressed the wrong button. He might have gone to the store. I might have deleted the file. She might have taken the earlier bus. They might have brought snacks. To master this structure, try the following. Write your own 5 might have sentences. Say them aloud in front of a mirror. Use one new sentence each day when you speak. Practice daily and fluency will come naturally. Thanks for watching English for All. If this lesson helped you, click like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. What might you have learned today? We'll see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing.